Hi everybody, I'm Isaac Raymond. I'm going to be your instructor for this course. If I've had you before, it's probably going to be familiar to you. You'll know what to do. If you haven't had me before, make sure to ask me any questions after you've watched this video and I'll be happy to help explain. I've got my winter coat on because I live in Maine and you guys live in Miami or Florida or something, so you don't need a winter coat. Um, yeah, okay, so let's check it out. Make sure to check out the syllabus like always. Um, the biggest thing I always look for when I was a student is right here. How am I graded in the course? Homework is 30% of the grade. Those are the Newton problem sets that you'll have each week. There's 3 tests, and together they are 50% of the grade. There's these 5 problems called applied problems, and I'll provide a lot of help. I can make you videos if you're stuck on those. Those are where we just take what we've learned in Newton and in our textbook and we apply them in a certain situation, like a longer word problem. And then we have just a couple discussion boards in this course. Discussions are not a big part of it. Um, okay, those are the big things. So if you scroll down, you should be able to start on your homework just by clicking Chapter 1 Homework Part 1. I don't know why there's 2 links. Oh, that one's hidden. Okay, so you'll just see one link. And then Newton actually, for calculus, provides you a lot of support after you get a question wrong, or you can choose a button, I think, to get that support before you start working. So if you click on Chapter 1, Part 1, it gives you a question. You can click on More Instruction, and for some of the other courses, there isn't a lot of instruction, but for calculus, there's quite a bit. Lots of words and symbols, blah, 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 but there should be videos too. Maybe that only shows up after you get something wrong. But as always, if you've taken my course before, you can always message me if you'd like a video. I have videos that don't cover every single type of question, but for most of the questions in the course. So determine the domain and range of a function. You can copy and paste that into your clipboard. And there's my nerdy voice helping you through it. Okay. So I'm happy to make more of those. That's the best way for me to help you out in this course. Let me know where you're stuck and I'll assist you as best I can. Let's see. So the first applied problems down here, they're pretty straightforward. There's instructions right above in a separate link. Applied problem chapter 1. So you can write it up by hand and upload a picture, or you can type up your answer, whatever's easiest for you. But I'm here to help when you're stuck. Okay. And then the tests. The tests are taken with HonorLock. If you haven't taken the Doral College course online before, HonorLock is this button over here. So when you go through the HonorLock process, you'll want to click on whatever test that you want to take, and then HonorLock is going to be downloaded onto Google Chrome. It works only on Google Chrome. And then the tricky thing that students have is they say, well, there's a password. How do I enter the password? Well, it's a separate window. So if you hover over your Google Chrome icon, you should be able to see a separate window. And then you click on that, and there's a button that says Insert Password that can plug in the password for you. And then here's our discussions. Discussions are usually just, hey, post a problem that you're stuck with, help out a classmate, those types of things. Okay, it's calculus. It's an intimidating course for a lot of students. I understand that. So make sure to let me know when you're stuck. Okay, my job isn't just to sit here and hope for the best. Hope you do well. My job is to jump in there and support you. So send me a screenshot, iraymond@doral.edu, or send it through the Canvas messaging system. That's the easiest way for me to help you because then I can take that screenshot, put it on my computer whiteboard, and walk you through it, narrate, stuff like that. So hang in there. If you're ever stuck, you need to contact me and we'll talk, okay? But for some of you, you've had calculus experience before. This shouldn't be too different. Yeah, just let me know what I can do for you.